Welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with fundamental concepts, including fundamental operations, exercise 13E, part 4. Check the description box for part 1, part 2 and part 3. Here is our 19th question. K plus 1 by 2 plus 2k minus 3 by 3 minus k plus 3 by 4. Here we are going to add 3 algebraic fractions, right? So how to add a algebraic fraction? First of all, take a LCM of 2, 3, 4 because the denominators are different. 2, 3 and for all three numbers are different numbers. If the denominator is having the same number, then you can directly add it. But here it is different, so you need to make this denominator equal. Later on you can add the numerator. So for making it, first you need to do LCM. LCM means least common multiple, right? Here how to do LCM is, just write the three numbers from the denominator. First start checking from the least number, that is 2. 2 ones are and 3 you can write down as it is. 2 twos are 4. Again start with 2. 2 ones are 2. You can write 3 as it is. Now 3 ones are is 3. Now write this prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now you need to make this denominator as 12. Right? To make it, you need to multiply this 2 with 6. 2 6 are 12. Right? So you have to multiply with 6 on the numerator also. To make this 3 into 12, you need to multiply it with 4. Right? Even here you need to multiply it with 4. To make this 4 into 12, you need to multiply it with 3. 4 3s is 12. Right? Here, when multiplying this 3 on the numerator, multiply it with both the numbers. 3 should be multiplied with k as well as 3. 4 should be multiplied with 2k as well as minus 1. 6 should be multiplied with k and plus 1. Right? In the next step, we are going to multiply it. So you will get 6x plus 6, 8k minus 4 minus 3k plus 9. Right? Now the denominator became 12. See, all are having the same number. So you can just write it like this. Just write on 6k plus 6 plus 8k minus 4 minus 3k plus minus into plus minus 9. It becomes minus because you have to multiply this minus with 3k minus with plus 9. Here because it is plus, when you multiply it, plus plus becomes plus. Plus into minus becomes the same minus. So here it's not a problem. When it is minus, you need to be very careful. Now all the like terms you can add it. Right? I am adding 6k plus 8k, that is 14k minus 3k. I am writing it as it is, and 6 I am writing down as it is. Both are having minus 4 minus 9. When both signs are minus, just put minus sign and add it. So it becomes minus 13. Now here plus 14k minus 3k. Here both one is having positive, other is having negative. Just put the bigger number sign plus sign and subtract it. 11k. Here one is having positive, another is having minus. 6 plus 6 minus 13. So minus 7. You should put the bigger number sign. 13 sign is minus. So put minus sign and subtract it. Minus 7 by 12. Let's move on to the 20th problem. M by 5 minus m minus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus m. Sorry. Whenever you don't have any number in denominator, you can consider it as 1. Right? So now take the LCM of 5 as well as 3. When you take the LCM, 3 ones will be 3 and write 5 as it is. 5 ones will be 1. So now multiply 5 into 3, that is 15. Now to make this into 15, you need to multiply this 5 with 3. Because you are multiplying it with 3 in the denominator, you need to multiply it with 3 in the numerator too. Even here you need to multiply it with 5. 5 3s are 15 to get 15. Even on the numerator you need to multiply it with 5. Here, because denominator nothing is there in the denominator, you should consider it as 1. Here you need to multiply it with 15. 1 should be multiplied with 15 to get 15, right? So 15. So here you need to multiply it with 15 in the numerator also. So when you multiply inside, what you get is 3 into m, 3m by 15 minus 5 should be multiplied with m, 5m. 5 should be multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 10, and plus 15 into m, 15m. 15m, and even in the denominator it is by 15 because 115 is 15, right? So it should be 15 over here. Yeah. Now the denominators are equal, so you can just write it all the numerator together. 3m, when you are having minus sign over here, don't forget to multiply it inside with 5m as well as with minus 10. So it becomes minus 5m, minus into minus plus 10, right? Plus 15m. Now just do the subtraction or addition as needed. Plus 3m minus 5m plus 15m. I am putting 3m as it is, and doing one is having negative sign and here it is having positive sign. Put the bigger number sign, that is plus, and subtract it. 15 minus 5 will be 10m plus 10 by 15. 3m plus 10m. When you add this both, what you get is 13m by plus 10 by 15. Let's move on to our 21st question. 5 into x minus 4 by 3 plus 2 into 5x minus 3 by 5 plus 6x minus 4 by 7. Here, even here we need to take the LCM of 3, 5 and 7. When you multiply it, when you take a LCM, first check it with 3. 3 ones are, and remaining 5 and 7 is written as it is. Now 5 ones are 5 and 7 is written as it is. Now 7 ones are, right? Now so 7 into 5 into 3, that becomes 105. Now you need to make the denominators into 105. To make it, which number you should multiply? See here children, I will give you a small hint, because it is a big number, 105. Here what you are having 3, right? So with 3, which number should be multiplied? You might get confused, right? It is difficult to find out which number. Look here, here also there is 3, right? So just leave off this 3 and check for the other two numbers. When you multiply, 5 sevens are 35, right? So 35 should be multiplied here. Even in this way you can do it. You can find out which number to be multiplied in this. Is it easy now? Because it is a big number, most of the students get worried. Oh my god, how can I check which number we have to multiply with? So now it will be very easy for you. See, even here it is 5. 5 in the, see here, you are having 5 in the denominator. Even here, where is 5? Here is the 5. Leave off this 5. Remaining two numbers are 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21, right? So it should be multiplied with 21. 21. Because it is multiplied with 21 in the denominator, you need to multiply with 21 in the numerator too, right? Even here it's 7. In order to multiply, which number should be multiplied to get 107? Just leave off the 7 over here. 5 3s are 15, right? So 15 should be multiplied. Are you understanding, children, how to find out? If it is small numbers, you can easily identify which number should be multiplied. But when it is bigger, you will get confused, right? So now it is very easily you can find out which number should be multiplied. 15. So when you get a big numbers, don't be afraid. Now just 5 into 35, 175, x minus 14. Later on we can multiply this inside. Okay, 21 into 2 will be 42, and we can multiply this inside with both this number later on in the next step. 6 15s are 90, right? Even the denominator became 105. All are having same value. Now just multiply this 175 into x, 175x. This one should be multiplied with minus 4, plus into minus minus. 175 into 4 is 700. Because it is having plus sign, you can write down as it is. If it is minus, then there is a chances of changing the sign, right? So 42 into 5x, 210x, plus into minus minus. 42 into 3, 216. 90 into x, 90x. 90 plus into minus minus. 90 into 4, 360. Now here x integers, 175x, 210x, 90x, all are having positive number, positive sign. So just put a plus sign and you can add it. I have arranged all of it at one place. Again a typing mistake. That should be 175x, 110x. Yeah. So when you add it, what you get is, when you add this x terms, you will get 475x. Here all three are having minus sign. So just put minus sign and add it. I have placed a minus sign and add this 3. You get 1186 by 105. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for fundamental concepts. Thank you.